If you want to set up VPN on the Redmi A7 Pro, first we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, choose More Connectivity Options, and then in here you should be able to find the VPN option. In order to use it, we need to create a VPN profile. So you can tap on Add VPN at the bottom of the screen, and then if you have all the information needed in order to connect to a VPN server, you can fill everything in over here. And of course, you should be able to simply create the profile by using this check in the upper right corner, and then you can select the profile in order to connect to that server. However, most likely you do not have this kind of information, so you cannot really create the VPN profile by yourself. And in that case, if you want to use VPN, you can download a third-party app, a third-party VPN app to be precise, of course. So if we go to the Play Store, for example, we should be able to use the search option at the bottom. Then we can use the search field at the top, and you can just type VPN. Then you should be able to find many example VPN apps that you can of course try to use, and I actually encourage you trying out many different VPN apps in order to try to find your favorite one. In my case, I'm just gonna show you this one in this example, but like I said, feel free to try anything else from that list. And then we're gonna install the app. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is very simple. In many cases, these VPN apps are free, but they also offer some premium stuff, like premium upgrades or something. And of course, if you use the app for free, you might have limited options, in some cases very limited options. So of course, this is why you might want to try different apps, because these options vary from app to another app. So let's open this one. Now, the good thing about this app is that we don't have to create any account whatsoever. We can just continue as a guest. And I'm pretty sure there are other VPN apps that also allow you to use these VPN apps for free without the account. But still, in some cases, you have to sign in. So I'm just gonna tap on continue as a guest. Then you might see the premium offer. In my case, I'm just gonna tap on not now because I don't really need it. And then you should be able to connect to a server. In this case, we have a random free server. We cannot really choose a specific country, and in some cases you still have the option to connect to a country of your choice, but usually the list of choices is actually also limited, so you have to keep that in mind. And of course, you can also go to settings inside the app in order to try to make some adjustments if needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.